Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your smart TV model supports Android TV or can be flashed safely. This is crucial because only Android TV-compatible systems can host Google Play. Once done, back up personal settings and connect a formatted USB drive to hold firmware or APKs. Next, decide. Install a Google-certified Android TV device, recommended, or prepare official Android TV firmware for your TV. You proceed immediately to download the exact image matching your model and gather a second device for flashing instructions. You now perform the core installation. If flashing, boot your TV into recovery or use the manufacturer's unlock and fastboot tools. Follow model-specific commands precisely because mismatched images brick devices. Keep the TV powered and avoid interruptions. Alternatively, plug in a Google-certified Android TV device via HDMI, power it on, and follow the on-screen installer. Make sure you sign into a Google account during setup. This is how Play Store access is granted, and why certification matters for compatibility and security. You finish by launching the Play Store and allowing Google Play Services updates. Install a few apps to confirm functionality. If the Play Store does not appear, verify the device is Google certified or that the flashed firmware exactly matches your model. Mismatch prevents Play Store registration. If apps fail, clear Google Play Services cache and reboot, then sign in again. As a last resort, reflash using the correct image or revert to a certified external Android TV device. This solves the majority of registration and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.